What if it were possible to get paid $7.95 every time you posted a photo on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform? Over and over and over again like clockwork. Does the sound of that interest you? Well, that's exactly what we're doing right now. And when you pay attention for the next 30 seconds, you're going to see exactly how this works. You're going to uncover our never-before-seen system that's allowing us to receive an endless stream of $7.95 payments which regularly flow into our bank account, adding up into thousands of dollars in weekly profits. Here, check this out. Last week, I pulled in over $4,578.56 in pure profits. So, what's the secret? How did I pull it off? Well, it was made possible by exploiting an untapped $155 billion platform that generates a steady stream of PayPal payments every day just for posting photos on social media channels. No messing around with traffic, hosting, domains, solo ads, or any of that nonsense. When has that stuff ever worked for you anyway? Luckily, there's a far, far better way. Introducing PhotoPayz. PhotoPayz is the world's first and only system that pays its users for posting photos on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Listen, it doesn't matter what we post, we could even be getting paid for posting our own photos, or photos of animals, birds, babies, cats, whatever you want, period. As long as we're posting photos, we're making money. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Log in. Grab a copy of PhotoPayz and access the dashboard on your phone or laptop. Hurry, the price rises with every hour. Step 2. Activate the post-to-profit technology. To start posting the photos on your favorite social media channel while getting paid for every photo posted. The secret sauce requires just one mouse click. Step 3. Earn. Enjoy daily deposits of cash directly to your PayPal account, withdraw cash anytime you need, and that's all. There's nothing else to do, you cannot mess this up, even if nothing else has worked for you in the past. This isn't rocket science. The more times we're posting, the more we are earning. Let's be real here, you're already on your phone for hours a day. Instead of wasting time, why not use PhotoPayz while you're at it? Look, I could hand this to any middle schooler and they'd have no issue making money. All they have to do is fire up PhotoPayz and begin posting photos, and before you know it, our PayPal account begins growing. Growing. And growing. Bigger, bigger, and bigger. Before you know it, we have thousands of dollars piled up in our accounts. Just casually sitting in there like it's no big deal. And all we had to do was post photos. It doesn't get any better than this, my friend. So you've seen all the proof, you've witnessed the magic of PhotoPayz firsthand, I've shown you exactly how it works, but let's address the elephant in the room right now. And that is, how much will PhotoPayz cost me? Okay, so we originally planned on selling PhotoPayz on a webinar for $1,997 one time, and although that price is a hefty price, plenty would take us up on it, because it would quickly pay for itself, but hey, I get it, $1,997, that's a lot of money to put up front. So to make this accessible to anyone and everyone out there, I'm going to reduce the price to something that anyone can afford. Just the price of a cheap t-shirt gets you full access to PhotoPayz. However, this discount will not be available to everyone. See, if we let everyone on the planet use PhotoPayz, it would likely become quickly saturated, and we're not going to allow that to happen. So to ensure that PhotoPayz keeps making its users money, we will only be taking in so many members. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. So if you like the sound of posting photos on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other social media, then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 360-day money-back guarantee. And to make this a total no-brainer, we'll give you $200 in cash for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. Either you get a copy of PhotoPayz and start getting paid for posting photos on your social media sites, or you get all of your money back. Both ways, you win. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of PhotoPayz at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.